All right.
Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer. I'm an assistant librarian at the Elyria Public Library, and I'm here to share with you a fun DIY craft that you can do for yourself or someone special. And if you're like me, I have a lot of family that I miss on Valentine's Day, so I always like to send them something. So today I put together a kit for you. In this kit, I have directions on how to do this. You'll have a coaster, and then I made some pretty fun decals that you could choose from to put right on this coaster. So let's get started. So first, you're going to coat the entire coaster with Mod Podge. And make sure it's nice and even. And this is going to act as the glue for your decal. So then I'm going to pick a decal, and I chose Will You Be My Quarantine. I'm going to stick that right on there. And make sure it's nice and smooth, no bumps. Then, I'm going to take my Mod Podge, and I'm going to coat right on top, right across from edge to edge. Nice and smooth. And then I'm going to let it dry. And that's it. Thanks for joining me today.